You've not gone to work, why?
I'm not feeling too well.
Hey. What is wrong with you?
Fever, headache.
Yeah, go and get some drugs so that you'll be fine and go to work. No, it has not been long you started this your handwork and it's too early to begin to start home. You know, go?
I'll get drugs. Let me rest a little. Thank you.
No. If you sit. Hello, Mary.
I'm telling you, Azu, I found no man for Ada, come here. Ada, come here. Come here. Ada, since when have you started doing this thing you are doing?
What are you talking about? Are you talking to me or...
I'm talking to you.
What happened?
Ada, let me tell you something. All this thing you are doing, don't you ever try to refuse my proposal. The day I will come to your house to ask for your hand in marriage. Don't try it. Because your behavior this time I don't understand. But anyway, I don't even have to talk anything with you. I have to go to your father. We sit like man and man and discuss what we have to discuss. I don't have anything to discuss with you.
Okay, I don't blame you. Because I am still in this village. You don't know your class again. You don't know your level. Because I am still in this village. Anywhere you see me, you'll be like, Ada, this one, talking nonsense. I don't blame you. I blame the alcohol that took away your life. Idiot.
You are calling me alcohol. You yourself, you are alcohol room. Your mother alcohol, your father alcohol. The whole of your generation alcoholic. You are born and raised inside alcohol. Your generation alcohol. Alcohol, no. Oh, go like you. Now look at you. I'm even trying to bring you close to me. I'm trying to. You are not even happy that you have someone like me around you. Look at them.
Oh, my love.
Good morning.
Morning, though.
Obi, we wanted to go to your shop first, but Choma here suggested we should come here, that you will be around. And she's right, you're around.
Yes, she's right, but I would have gone. Just that I woke up this morning and I wasn't feeling too well. I was feeling feverish. Yes, so I decided to stay back and take some drugs and rest. But I feel better now.
Thank God you're better. The reason I came is to tell you that I'll be going to the city tomorrow.
Huh?
Yes. I know you react this way because of it, but it's not my fault too. It's my uncle that said I should come to the city and help him with the business, and from there he will put me in the university. That's why.
And you're just telling me now? Huh? You're leaving for the city tomorrow. You are telling me now, today.
Don't misunderstand me. But don't worry. I promise I will always come back from time to time to check on you. Yes. Sorry.
It's okay now. Love one, ten.
Bye-bye.
Well, let's go now. Akweke, let's go. Well, let's go now. Good day, sir. You're looking for my daughter, Akweke? Yes, sir. Okay. I want you to help me do something back there. Come on. So, I want you to help me grab that thing inside that. Ọ̀dọ́ ni why? Ọ̀dọ́ yewu. Ọ̀dọ́ priye. You want to come and see my daughter? Akweke, you're crazy. Let me see you here again. Ọ̀dọ́ ni why? Ọ̀dọ́ mensia.
Hey, Akweke. How about that?
I'm fine, though. How much are you buying today?
I don't wait for you tired now. You can't make me go chop for Mama John place. And I want chop, self.
I never late now. You can buy and keep. Later you eat.
No, Akweke. Don't worry, what's yours? Eh?
You make your basic. Has it eaten?
I don't know. It should be somewhere. Hey, Levan.
Okay, let me go and find out.
Okay, let me go.
Next or tomorrow, don't eat it.
I will. One more.
Oh, my God. Are you okay? Why are you looking at me like that? As if you saw something. What is it?
Oh man, meow. I was just admiring your dress. It's very fine.
Thank you. And I brought your favorite. Hope you've not eaten.
I've not eaten. I've been waiting for you.
Here's the water.
Thank you. Whoa. Whoa.
Want it big like this?
Yes. You can cut to first.
Okay. Hope you liked today's one.
Confirm.
I made sure I added pepper because you said you liked pepper.
Thank you. Anything you add for me is good. Even if I don't say it, use your church mind and add it. It's good. Once it's coming from me, no other person should add it. You be the only person to add anything you want to add.
Don't worry, I'll make sure I'm doing it very fine for you.
Add anything. Have you eaten?
Yes, I ate in the house before coming out. Also, said he has eaten.
Okay.
Yes, I didn't come on time.
Okay. I made you one cup.
Okay. You are making you... Okay, let me go and give to others. I'm coming, eh?
Still keep for me or 6?
6.
6. Go for my uncle.
No problem, just eat.
Apprentice. Bring it. Apprentice.
This one you're sleeping.
No, I'm not sleeping. I'm just rolling sense. Give me some upper.
Hey, how many do you want?
Give me 3 uppers. You pack it in 3s, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you just give me 3.
Should I cut it?
No.
Okay.
Alright. There's a little snack. I'll give you the money later.
Later?
Yes.
Okay, before I finish, I'll come back.
Okay.
Alright.
If you pay our money immediately.
Papa!
What a sumptuous arrangement. Wow.
Like I'm selling you. Let me go and give to other people. I'll say come back. I'll keep you up for you.
Anybody is going to do something like that.
Yes, now. Trust me. I'm coming, eh?
Tell me why you don't want to pay attention to what I'm doing. Or is it because you are not a partner in this workshop? Remember, Anebe is still the senior partner, so anything can happen.
Okay, leave Anebe. Leave Anebe. My problem is not Anebe. I have bigger issues. I was sitting in that place. You know that place where we rest? At our rest. After a while, I drifted away, like I slept off. You know. And I started dreaming. I saw myself in Akweke's house, where I went to see her. Next thing, her father chased me away and told me never to come to his house again.
Which Akweke are you talking about?
Which other Akweke do you know?
Wait, don't tell me it's the same Akweke, the Obasela that just left here now.
Yes. See, I've always known I have strong feelings for that girl. Very strong feelings. But this one that I'm now dreaming of her, it's making me think about.
Now I know this your headache after that again. Sorry, huh? No. Come on, people are making loser. You are making loser. See, bring this gladiator out. What I want to do before. My
This way you are walking as if you are running 3 by 100 meters race. Is something pursuing you? Or are you pursuing something with this your small leg?
Are you by any mistake trying to insult me, or you are trying to compliment yourself?
You know that was just a compliment. I'm complimenting you. But that just by the way. Where is your friend Ada? I've not set my eye on her for like 1 month now. Is she there?
Oka, you are the one that is dead. Oka, you are a foolish man. Oka, you are useless. For saying that my friend Ada is dead, you are dead. See. Mind your tongue, go.
Chioma, that's just by the way. Everybody in this village knows that I'm a dead man. My family knows that I'm dead already. I'm a walking dead. So that's just another thing for another day. Why I'm saying this is because I've missed Ada so much. Look at me, I'm weighing down. I'm macheting by fire by force every blessed day by day. I need Ada, I'm missing Ada.
Okay, Ada has gone to the city for good.
You say what?
Yes, she has gone to the city.
So Ada left this village without telling me. And you did not do anything. You left Ada to travel without telling me. Hey! Ada tiwala mo bibo. Ada bawago mo bibo. Ada gbeyala mo bibo. Hey! Oromo dada bawara mo bibo. Ada bawara mo bibo. Choma, Ada bawago mo bibo. Wait.
Now I know that you are.
Hey! Hey!
Very well, roll on the floor. Are you still sitting?
Ada tiwala mo bibo.
Lie down and cry.
You don't lie down.
Yeah, lie down. Useless man. Idiot. You are here crying because Ada has traveled. As if I don't even know who you are.
Chama, come, Abeg, come. Come. Since Ada I'll travel to the city. Come, let me manage you. I want to see Moby Jumbo. I'm heartless. Hey, I don't think you're going to be mad as a mattress. I am heartless.
Dumeje.
Good morning, Mom.
You did not sleep last night. And you are here thinking. What is wrong with you?
Nothing.
Is it nothing? Something is wrong with my son. And I know it. I'm your mother. Tell me, what is it?
Nothing serious.
Well, since you said there is nothing serious, let me go and prepare your food.
Thank you, Mom.
Up till now, this boy Dumeje has not come to shop. Eh? So he always want me to be the first to come so that I can help him sweep the place as his boy, Abi? No problem. I will sweep it. Voila. Let me see. No problem. I will do it. He will come. He'll have to let him boss. Some boy I know when they employed him. After the person, you will just come and start asking for Papa. You want to eat Papa? Papa. No problem. Come. I will sweep everything for you. Oh, for one kind of don't worry, I'll confuse them. I'll go and open my own.
Let me say we know they've not for. What we they've not for. How come Tanya as I follow my because you know. All hail the most handsome man in our village. All hail the most handsome man in our town and the neighboring town. Hey, a man who at the age of 30, he's still an apprentice. To Mr. Nebe, one of the renowned mechanic roadside, in the whole village.
Don't insult me, Nico. Where are you going to this early?
Nowhere, sorry, somewhere. In fact, I'm going to Mazio Chendo to tell me why he should send laborers to cultivate on my father's land without making full payment.
I don't understand.
Mazio Chendo bought my father's land with a token. The next thing I saw laborers cultivating on that same land today without making full payments.
Oh, that's bad. How can Mazio Chendo do such a thing? Oh, Jokan.
One more. Because when I raise alarm now, they will say, okay, Bidopa, no Wapa Manya, he's an alcoholic man. That's the way he used to drink. That's what I'm telling you.
Anyway, just take it easy. Yeah? Let me run along. I have an important message. Let me handle some things. Yeah? Whatever you do, don't be violent.
I thought you would follow me to Mazi Ochendo's house. will not be able before. Oh, yeah, you're my girl. You know, Baba.
Is this where Apprentice is? The one that sells over?
Yes, this is our home. Is there any problem?
No, really. My name is Edochie. Yes, I'm her customer. So I came to see her, know how she's doing it.
Okay. She's usually not at home by this time of the day.
Oh, forgive me, I should have known. She must have gone to sell her usual.
Going to sell her.
Okay, no problem. Just when she comes back, tell her I came to see.
It's okay. What did you say is your name?
Edochie.
Okay, I'll show you. I'll do that.
Thank you.
Is it okay? Ikemba.
Mama.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, man.
I'm okay.
How's your Edochie?
Edochie just went out too. He almost didn't want to go out because he woke up this morning very sick.
Eh? Okay, that means I have to go and see him now before I will start going to my own working place.
Oh. Najike, oh?
Okay. Mama!
He came back.
I want to tell you something that is important. Imana asno nya balo megen opo n'ụzọ ka afọ ụzọ megen bụ onye ọzọ. Ọbụla akpa mmadụ ọ na-ezuzu hale. Efu ka esi kpam nọ na village leka.
Hey! Opo n'ụzọ ka afọ onye ọzọ. Ike bụ iburu kwe bata. Hey! Onye mama nọ this boy. Onye akpara opo n'ụzọ ka akpọ onye ọzọ. Ekwe nke bụ ịkpa na ịkpọ onye ọzọ na ịkpụ n'ụzọ. Oh! Ụmụ ọgwụgwụ oge. Onye kemba ngwa n'o! Akweke! Mama! Bia. Mama? I nearly forgot. A young man came here early today, asking of you. He said his name is, what did he call that his name? Dumeje, yes. Do you know him?
Yes, Mama, Dumeje. Yes, Mama. He's one of my best customers. I usually supply over to him and his colleague at the mechanical shop. Yes, Mama.
But what do you have with him that made him to come all the way from their workshop to our house looking for you? Are you owing him or Koronyawa Jigogo?
Mbakwa, Mama. I'm not owing him. Did he mention anything about debt to you?
No, he did not. It's just that young men of these days, they are very crafty, corny, and full of drama. So one needs to be very careful while dealing with them.
Mama, okay, I've heard you. But please, let's talk of something else before you start thinking of something else. Okay, Mama, I've heard you. But please, can I buy yours? Because before you now start thinking of something else.
What is it that I will think of? Please sit down. Hey, your father called me earlier today. He said he will be coming home very soon.
Are you serious, Mama? Really?
Yes. And to add to that, he said while coming back, he will buy things for us, precious things, especially for you.
Oh yes, Mama, I can't wait. I can't wait to see him, Mama.
Don't take my husband away from me.
Mama, what of my brother Nnamdi? How is he? Is he coming back with him?
He said Nnamdi is okay, but he will not come with your father. Just him alone.
Okay. It's fine. I can't wait to see Papa.
I'll soon be back. Go and get me that thing I kept in the kitchen.
Mommy,
So all these things have been happening. You didn't bother to tell me about work again.
Sorry. I met Romeo. I didn't do well, I'm sorry. And that's because you're always busy. You're always very busy. Most times I'll call you on the phone, you don't answer. At least you answered this time around. So now that you know, what should I do?
So let me tell you my own opinion here now. Maybe God wants to use this opportunity to unite both of you together. And you don't know, you're not about it.
What you are saying. Look at what you are saying. Are you an assistant to God? How can you be talking like this? I'm telling you that I always see this particular man, very mean looking man, you know, and he keeps telling me that he doesn't want to see me around his daughter. I keep seeing him in my dreams, and you're telling me that God wants to use that to unite us. Are
you a dreamer? If you just say fall on law. And besides, how are you sure is this man? What you will do, call that girl closer. Know her very well. Open knock at the answer. I see this person. No, if you just say fall on law.
See, I like her. I like her very much. And I've studied her too. I believe she likes me. She likes me. Problem now is I need to open up to her, but I don't know how.
Oh, you going to get major in love. See what you will do. Are you not a man? So you cannot talk to a woman again. Your man is about chick.
Why are you talking like that? Just that. No.
Just do as I said, Can be another now. Let me go to my room workshop.
Oh, I don't know.
Let me be going. Come back another.
Wait. I want to have a word with you. You know, Asuna, there's a way my Oga used to say it. Oga mnasu okoko yibo, anasu gogo. But on my own understanding, ihomi nebo onye marasu, that's on equal. Onye na marasu, that's on okwe.
Yes.
So the way Dumeje used to come to work lately this time around is not good. You know he's still learning this work. And he started new. As for me, I have no everything I need to know. How to go perfect? Please talk to him.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you. You and Dumeje doesn't have the same acumen. That's what they call acumen. Let me tell you. Dumeje but by the way, I will talk to him. He's my very good friend. Don't call him Madri Aju.
Just talk to him.
But Mapa no nya Ọpụọ n'ụzọ ka eme gịnị ka akpa onye ọzọ ọbụla akpa gị na-esigharị ọnwụ.
Ọkpago m.
Now.
Mpụzie n'ụzọ.
I will talk to him.
Please talk to him or I'm talking to him. I'm just you know I had a good mind. I just said my mind.
You are heartless, I know.
You go talk to him or
no problem.
I'm gonna call it.
Two for that. But I was begging you to give me 300 naira and you know this.
Wait, did you give me water? Bought water for that matter? Wait, my water.
What is your problem? Opa is my Opa. Whoever I give it to. If you want extra, but look at it here. You can pay and take more.
Simple.
I don't see him now. I don't see him. Opa, so you give him special Opa now. Special Opa. Okay.
Let me go and settle them. I'll be back later.
Oh, I
want to give my money. I'm coming.
I should give them money.
They have.
We gave you Bob and
let me tell you something you don't understand. Woman, I like you well. So much.
I like it well.
Come on, I'm on way you and
now my mom is your job with it.
let's go with you. What the is Huh?
Welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Oh, please, you can sit.
No, don't worry. I'm just returning from work. I'm even tired. I'll soon leave. I don't want to disturb you too much.
Okay, how did you locate my house? Because my mom told me you were here earlier today.
Yeah, so I came in the morning. Well, you know me now. In this town, I can't find anywhere. I ask questions.
Okay.
How was business today?
We bless God, you know, as usual.
Yes, sir. I would like to discuss something with you, if you don't mind.
Okay, you can go ahead.
But actually, I would like us to go somewhere, private, sit down and talk. I won't take much of your time. Please.
Niji, what is it you want us to particularly talk about?
When we get there now, we'll find out. Oh?
Okay, no problems. Where and what time?
5 p.m. 5 p.m. Angel's Bar.
Okay, it's almost 5.
Let me go and shower and look better than this.
Okay, no problems. I'll meet you up there shortly.
5 p.m. Thank you.
Alright.
Say nah, I need to go with you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let me get you something to drink.
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes. So tell me, what is it you want us to discuss?
Okay. Actually, I have something to tell you, but
what? Say it anyway. You know I don't have time. I'm a busy woman.
Okay. See, I like you so much. And I believe you must have noticed that I like you. Just that I'm a very shy person. Saying this kind of thing is always difficult for me.
Edochie, you've always expressed yourself before me. You're equally doing so right now. So just go ahead and tell me what you want to tell me.
Yes, I've not been able to say this one. I've been trying. That's why I told you, let's come out to a private place where I can talk.
We're here now, so go ahead and say it.
I want us to be lovers. I want you in my life. I want you to be my woman. I promise you I will never hurt you. Cross my heart. I will never hurt you.
I'm back. Akweke! Where are you and Homo? Hey! Akweke! 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 Where is this girl? Eh? Where has she gone to? Leaving everything she has to do. Akweke! Akweke! Hey! I don't know what. Eh? I don't know. Anyway, you will still come back to this house and meet me wherever you are. Eh?
I sincerely don't know what to say. I'm confused.
Just say anything, but at least say it from your heart. I'll understand. Oh?
Since I was a child, my father never allowed me to love any man. He's been so overprotective of me, to the extent that he didn't even allow me to go to the university. You're a nice man. Every woman will want to be by your side. But the truth is, I don't think I'm ready to fall into the arms of any man. I'm scared of making mistakes. I'm scared.
I understand. But see, with me you will not make any mistake. I promise you. I'll love you and I'll take care of you. I will never hurt you. Oh?
I will appreciate it if you can still give me some time to think about it. Please.
Okay, fine.
Thank you for your understanding. Thank you. Alright, I'll be on my way.
Wait, at least drink something.
Oh, I'm fine.
No food.
Malians don't wear belts.
Malians.
Hey! Ninga for you all. I'll see you later.
I'm going bye bye.
Easy, baby. Easy, my friend.
Where are you coming back from?
I went to see a friend.
Which friend?
Mami Biakwa. Don't I have the right to have friends? Or am I not old enough to know what I want?
To the detriment of your business, Akweke, you left all you were supposed to do in this house and you went out to see a friend. How does it sound to your ears?
Please, Mama, I'm begging you. I'm tired. I don't even have strength to talk now.
Akweke! Akweke, come out here! Akweke! Hey! Look at the man now! This girl just walked out on me, her mother! Come on, chop on the put him. Akweke, come here! Akweke!
I'm very fine. Welcome.
So good to have you back home.
Thank you. Where is Mama and Uju?
As usual, they went to the market.
I have to see them because I've missed them so much.
Like this?
Yes, so. Come back, I'll see you later.
Like this? With your uniform? The Panama.
Your phone. Hello?
It's a mom. Hey, I'm fine, no. Hey, compassion. Come, there is food in the shop. Hey, okay, someone want me.
Mama, is she back?
Yes. She says she's coming here now. She says she's through with her youth service.
Hey, Mama, is she back?
Hey, it's your one. Mama was got compassion. Hey.
May God bless you in Jesus' name.
Ninka atoya. Why?
But Mama, you think that they're very mean somehow.
Chono, Mama, you may be sick. So, when are you expecting to go back?
Mama, we're given 3 weeks to stay before going back. But for me, I would like to stay for a month. That's what I'm going back.
Will they serve your query?
Wow.
At the shop?
Mama.
Which means you will assist me to the market for tomorrow so that we will gather the money we used to go back as you said. Very baby. Now, Juma, even you
have made this food rice. That will be better than this.
Are you a bird? Rice.
You eat and have more strength.
This is the
This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more, he be funayam. This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more, he be funayam. I will show you care from the little I have. I'll protect you, show you how I love you. No matter what we are passing through, I will love you with my whole life. You are the best choice I made. You are the best choice I made. Nothing will come in between us. From my heart I say I do. Thinking of you gives me happiness and joy that knows no bounds. We will pass through rain and sun, and thorns I will protect you. You have given me reason to smile. You are the reason I'm happy now. So you and I will live forever, no matter what we face, baby. This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more, he be fun I am. This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love.
You are indeed a wonderful girl. You see, any man that will come here to marry you must ensure to provide a big cow for your mother and I. For raising you up in such a wonderful way. Look at you. Eh? Not a complete.
You are right. Adoma
Mama.
Akugomo.
Mama.
Imaniru yeji nwanyị eme. Ekwo ka nwanyị si akwo. Your father is right, 100% right. If the man cannot afford any cow, no marriage.
I've heard you, Mama. I've heard you, Papa. Can you now? It's okay, hold on. Let me get water to wash him.
So bad there.
Hey! Mama, if you have your daughter can cook.
Yes.
Any man that marries this girl is the luckiest man in the world.
Man, yeah.
Adam. And Mama, let's eat.
You go pancake?
Yes, Mama.
When was the last time you serviced your injector?
It's been a while.
Yeah,
it's been a while.
Okay, I suspect the whole firing system. Yes, I noticed when you were coming in, it's not firing well. Although the first thing I'll do is to plug a system in it and check it. Plug my machine. After that, whatever I see, I'll tell you. But I suspect the injector. So after that, most likely I'll service the injector, change the plugs. When did you change the plugs last?
It's been a long time. I've been so busy.
I know. Check. So I'll do that service injector, change the plugs, and then I'll just drain the oil, general servicing. Then if the system sees anything, I'll let you.
And all this you